Good morning everyone, this is Martin here from SoleTrail. So, I am up in the woods to do a review on my new go-to knife. I've been using this knife for the last couple of months and it is one incredible bit of kit. I have a lot of knives, but this knife is the one I seem to be always going back to. I use it for hiking, I use it for bushcraft, and I use it for wild camping. So this is the Kenchaw Cyro 2. What an incredibly built bit of kit. It's fast, it's sharp, it is beautifully well made. First, let's go through some of the stats. Let's talk about the blade. The overall length of this blade is 197 millimeters. The blade length is 83 millimeters. It's a titanium coated blade, so there's absolutely no rust getting to it. It is a Chinese budget steel, but it's more than capable to withstand a lot of abuse. I sharpened this before I came out. I sharpened it with a sharpening stone that I have, and it was very easy to sharpen, but it keeps its sharpness for a long time. It is very comfortable in the hands, but you can see there's absolutely no movement whatsoever. When this is open, it's not budging. It is a very well balanced knife. You can see right in the center, it balances perfectly. So there's two ways of opening this. First, you have your flicker here, and it's very fast to open. You can also use the thumb screw that is there. I have never used this yet, but you can use it if you want. It has a locking mechanism here that you pull open to put the blade back in. But for me, it's become my daily carry. It's an absolutely unbelievable knife for the price of it. You can get this on Amazon for €30. For that build quality, that is absolutely incredible. So Kenchaw is a company that's actually new to me, so I am going to look at a lot more of their knives because their build quality is absolutely incredible. So that is the Kenchaw Cyro 2 blade. It's an incredible bit of kit, and it's my go-to blade for camping, wild camping, and bushcraft. Happy days. So get out hunting. Thanks very much. I'll put some details in the description. So until next time, thanks for watching. Stay safe out there and stay safe out in the mountain.